When one of our family members dies, of course we must provide for all the needs that the corpse needs. Not infrequently the money spent is not small, so that people who have low economy cannot afford to pay some money. This is what happened to this man. As reported by Citizen6.Liputan6.com, Tuesday, the 6th of June 2017, the man named Shankar Sah is forced to carry his wife's body just by motorcycle. Shankar's wife Sushila Devi died of prolonged illness at a hospital in the city she lives in. Shankar himself comes from Kampung Rainibari in Purnia area, which can be said very far from the hospital where his wife was treated. As quoted from Metro, the 5th of June 2017, Shankar said if the hospital officer allowed him to bring his wife's body home, but when he was about to ask for a vehicle he was told to take care of itself. Shankar was trying to find help. He then met a man who used to bring an ambulance car. However, he was required to pay 2,500 rupees or about $32 because he felt unable to pay and also no other options. Shankar Sah and his son were forced to carry his wife's body back to the village by using only battered motors. Throughout the journey, Sah's tears are also unrelenting, flowing because it feels sad considering he cannot provide a decent vehicle for his beloved wife.